Good morning, friends. Today in this session we are going to learn about centroid of a rectangular section by integration method. Let us observe the diagram. That in the diagram itself it is telling that figure shows a rectangular section ABCD having width B and depth D. In the rectangular we are taking here an XY plane. In the XY plane we are taking a rectangle. In this rectangle we are taking a small rectangular area, and we are giving the areas. For the total area we are giving the area as B into D, and for the small rectangular area we are giving the area as B into thickness we are giving here as dy. In this rectangle we are considering an elemental strip, means small area. We are considering a small area of thickness dy. Let the area of this elemental area dA is taking here. We are taking this as B into dy. This is the elemental strip. This area of the strip we are taking here as B into dy. Now we are taking the moment of area about axis OX. Means moment means nothing but of force into perpendicular distance. The force which we are considering here is nothing but of an elemental area. We are representing this elemental area as dA. Hence we are taking here the force as dA, and the perpendicular distance from this elemental area to x-axis we are taking here as y. Hence we are taking the perpendicular distance here as y. And now we already knows the dA value from the area of the strip. We are considering the dA as area of strip. We know dA is equal to B into dy. Hence we are substituting the dA value here, that B into dy into y. I have written here that since dA is equal to B into dy, hence B into y into dy. Now we are considering here the total moment, the moment of whole area about axis OX, or first moment of the whole area about axis OX will be obtained by integrating the above equation between the limits O to D. Means we are considering the total moment for the moment which we have got here. Means we are integrating here, total moment means we are integrating for the moment equation. We are taking the limits from 0 to D. Moment of the whole rectangular section about axis OX means we are taking here the total moment of area. Total moment of area means nothing but of we are going to do the integration for the given moment. Means what is the given moment we are having, means by into dy. We were doing integration for this moment from the limits we are taking here as 0 to D. Hence as B is the constant term, we have taken outside and we are integrating the equation, that B into, as we are having integration y into dy means we are taking here as y square into dy, y square by 2, and we are applying the limits D in the above given equation, that we are having BD square by 2. We are taking this as equation 1, and we already knows from the figure itself, the total area is nothing but of B into D. The total area we are taking here as B into D. Now we are calculating for the centroid y bar for rectangular section, as we knows that y bar is equal to total moment by total area. already we knows the total moment which we have got here is nothing but of total moment means bd square by 2. We are taking the total moment here as bd square by 2, and the total area we are having here is b into d. Hence we are cancelling the equation, then we are getting that y bar is equal to d by 2. Means for calculating different problems of centroid, y bar should be taken as d by 2 for calculating the rectangular problems. Similarly, we need to calculate the strip. We need to calculate for x bar. Similarly, we got y bar is equal to d by t by observing these equations. Similarly, we can write x bar is equal to b by 2. Now we are trying for this centroid x bar is equal to b by 2. Now we are drawing a diagram in xy plane. In xy plane we have taken an elemental area or elemental strip in vertical direction, and we are taking the rectangular area as b into d, and for this small elemental area we are taking here the distance as from 0 to up to elemental area we are taking the distance as x, and for this elemental area the thickness we are taking here as dx. By observing the figure, area of the strip dA means nothing but of the area of the elemental strip we can take here as d into dx. Hence I am writing here as dA is equal to d into dx. And now we are calculating for this elemental area the moment means nothing but of force into perpendicular distance. Force means we are taking in the by observing the previous figure we have taken the force as the area of an elemental area nothing but of dA. Hence we are taking here the force dA, and the perpendicular distance for this dA is nothing but of x. Hence we have written here dA into x. Hence now we are trying for total moment or whole moment of the area. That for total moment means I have explained you in the previous figure that for total moment we are doing some integration part. As we are taking here the elemental strip in vertical direction, we need to calculate the perpendicular distance for x-axis. So we are integrating the equation and we are taking the limits from 0 to b, and we are integrating for the above moment equation dA into x. Hence we are substituting dA value from above. We are substituting dA value. dA is equal to d into dx. Means we are substituting here the dA value. dA means nothing but of d into dx. Hence we have substituted in the dA value d into dx into x. Hence as d is a constant term we have written outside, and we are integrating the equation for x into dx. Then d into for x into dx we can written as x bar by 2, and we are applying the limits from 0 to b. Hence after applying the limits d into b in x place, then we are having d into b square by 2. Therefore we are calculating the x bar, that x bar is equal to total moment by total area. We are having the total moment that d into b square by 2 by total area means nothing but of b into d. Hence we have cancelled both the equations, and the remaining value we got here is that b by 2. Hence we have proved that x bar. Similarly we have written that previously by observing y bar is equal to d by 2 we can write x bar is equal to b by 2. Hence by calculating or drawing the diagram like this we can get the x bar is equal to b by 2. By observing this diagram we need to calculate or we need to derive the more equations for triangle, parallelogram, semicircle, quarter circle, etc. If you have any doubts please call me. Thank you.